Okay, so when trying to solve equations like this, we have to try and find the same base to find x. So first I'm just gonna make it easier for myself, and I'm gonna make 5 to the x. I'm gonna make 25, or this right here, not a fraction. So that will be 25 to the negative 1. And then when we're trying to get the same base, we can see that 5 squared equals 25. So we do 5 to the x equals 5 squared times negative 1. So 5 to the negative 1. Or slash 5 to the negative 2, I'm sorry. And then we can move down to do 5 to the x equals 5 to the negative 2. And now, since we have the same base, we can get rid of that by doing log base 5 on both sides. We'll cancel the 5's, and we end with x equals negative 2. For equations like this, starting with a log, this is basically saying we need to find 1/9 to what power equals 27. So to do that, once again, we want to find same base, but I'm going to make it easier and do, so 1/9 to the x equals 27. Try and get it in the same form as that, because it's easier to find a base from there. So we can do, to make this not a fraction, we can do 9 to the negative 1 x, so just negative x, equals 27. And then looking at these, you can see that 3 would be a base that works for both of these. So we know that 3 squared equals 9. We have to put that negative x back in, so we have 3 to the negative 2x equals, and then 3 cubed equals 27, so 3 cubed. Then to get rid of that 3, we can do a log base 3 on both sides, which cancels out that, and we're left with negative 2x equals 3, and we divide both sides by negative 2, and we are left with x equals negative